Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is matrices and determinants. Now here first one, if AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B, then now here four options are given. Now first one, A is equal to 2B, second one, A square equal to A and B square equal to B. A square equal to A and B square equal to B means A and B are idempotent matrices. Now third one, 2A equal to B. Fourth one cannot be determined. Now here given AB is equal to A. AB is equal to A. Now here B value BA. Now A into BA is equal to A. Now AB into A is equal to A. Now AB value is A. Now A into A is equal to A. Now A square is equal to A. And also given BA is equal to B. BA is equal to B. Now here B into A value is AB. AB is equal to B. Okay, now BA into B. BA into B is equal to B. Now BA value is B. Now B into B is equal to B. Now B square is equal to B. Therefore, if AB equal to A and BA is equal to B means now A square equal to A square is equal to A and B square equal to B. Therefore, A and B are idempotent matrices. Idempotent matrices. A and B are idempotent matrices. Option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if A is 3 by 3 non-singular matrix, that A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A, and also B is equal to A inverse into A transpose, then B into B transpose equal to. Now here given A is non-singular matrix means given A is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix, that implies det A not equal to 0. Det A not equal to 0. Now A inverse exists, and also A inverse exists means A is invertible matrix. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. A is invertible matrix. Okay. And also here B is equal to A inverse into A transpose. Now find B into B transpose. Since A is invertible, A is invertible. Okay, now B into B transpose equal to. Now B into B transpose equal to. Now B value A inverse into A transpose. Now A inverse into A transpose whole transpose. Okay, now A inverse into A transpose. Now AB whole transpose equal to. Now here AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. Now A transpose whole transpose into A inverse whole transpose. Okay, now A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Now A inverse into A transpose into A inverse whole transpose. Okay, now A inverse into A is equal to I. A into A inverse is equal to I. Now is equal to now A into A transpose into A. Now A into A transpose. Now A inverse into A transpose into A inverse whole transpose. Now A into A transpose into A. A transpose into A can be write A into A transpose. Now A inverse into A. A inverse into A is equal to I. Now I into A transpose. I into A transpose. Now A inverse whole transpose. I into A transpose. Now A transpose into A inverse whole transpose. Okay, now this one B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. Now AB whole transpose. Now A inverse into A whole transpose. Now B transpose into A transpose, AB whole transpose. Now B transpose into A transpose, AB whole transpose. Now A inverse into A is equal to I. Now I transpose. Now I transpose equal to I. I transpose equal to I. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, the determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd orders. Okay, now 1, 0 cannot say 3. Okay, now let A be a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix of order n. Okay, skew symmetric matrix means A transpose equal to minus A. A transpose equal to minus A. Okay, now taking det on both sides. Now det of A transpose equal to minus of det A. Okay, we know that det of Ka is equal to det of Ka is equal to K power n into det A. K power n into det A. Now det of minus A is equal to minus 1 K power n. Here constant is minus 1 power n into det A. Det of A transpose equal to minus power n into det A. Okay, now det of A transpose equal to det A. Since det of A transpose equal to det A equal to det of A transpose. Now det A is equal to, if n is odd means minus 1 power 1 minus 1 whole cube means minus det A. If n is odd, if n is odd. Okay, now 2 into det A is equal to 0. Now 2 into det A is equal to 0. Now det A is equal to 0. Det A equal to 0. Therefore, now the det of skew symmetric matrix of odd order, det A is equal to 0. Now second one is the correct one. Second one is the correct one. Example. Now you take 3 by 3 skew symmetric matrix. Now 0, A, B, 0, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0. Now here 3 by 3 skew symmetric matrix. 3 by 3 skew symmetric matrix. The det value is equal to 0.